Well, this is a pretty exciting discovery from astronomers in Japan. They recently spotted a distant object orbiting the sun far beyond Neptune.
Ooh, a new planet!
Maybe a new dwarf planet. Or potentially something that may prove that there is a ninth planet, like a giant ninth planet.
Okay.
Which there's been some theories on this. And as I share these details, you'll see what the theory exactly is.
So you're telling me they discovered something that might be a dwarf planet that would explain a ninth planet that's massive.
They have discovered something that may not be the size of a dwarf planet, but may be a part of the orbiting of a big planet that has a large gravitational pull.
Okay.
That we just don't know about.
But we can't see that.
It'd be past Neptune, so yeah, we don't know it.
It's camouflaged?
Or we just haven't been able to see it. I mean, space is big. Even our own solar system.
Yeah.
It's large. It's very large. In fact, so large that this thing is the farthest distance from the sun is 252 AU, which is an astronomical unit. Astronomical units, that's basically for the average distance between the Earth and the sun, which is around, I think, 93, 94 million miles. So that's 252 of those from the sun. So quite far away that we're talking about here. But they've given it the formal designation of 2023 KQ-14, or nicknamed Ammonite, which I think let's just go with Ammonite. That's way better, guys. Come on, what KQ-14?
Why Ammonite, though?
Ammonite was, I guess, a marine, a designation of marine animals that went extinct.
Okay.
And so,
what does that have to do with this?
Well, this is potentially a relic from a planet that may no longer be here. So maybe it's a part of an extinct planet. Who knows? There's lots of theories as far as where this comes from.
Yeah.
But this discovery was just published this week, and it marks the fourth detection of what they call a sednoid.
Okay.
Which sednoids are they are detached from Neptune, and they're objects that are orbiting around the sun, but they're not influenced by the gravitational pull of Neptune.
Okay.
And the three that were discovered before Ammonite, they all moved in the same gravitational pull. So this is where the theory comes in on a ninth planet.
Okay.
They were thinking maybe there is something that has such a gravitational force, so a big enough planet to have a very strong gravitational pull, that they're all moving in the same direction because they're orbiting around that.
So they're moons.
Maybe moons are just fragments of something. But this one, Ammonite, moves in a different direction, a different orbit.
Oh.
So it kind of disproves that there is a ninth planet.
Well, there is a ninth planet. It's Pluto.
Yeah, I mean, I would agree with that.
Yeah. So a 10th planet, though.
Yes.
We're starting to think no.
Yes, we're starting to think no.
If there's something that big, like how are we to be able to see these other smaller things that aren't planets, and we can't see the big giant other planet?
That's my thought exactly. I'm like, come on, we would have known by now if we had some large planet that was, just out there past Neptune. Now, Neptune's very far away. We're talking billion miles away from the sun.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think at this point with the James Webb Telescope, Hubble, all of the things that we've had with space discovery for many, many years, we would know about a 10th planet.
Yeah. Let's put that to bed.
Yeah. So I think this definitely does help put that theory to bed.
Okay. Ammonite.
Ammonite.
Well done, Ammonite.